What's up guys, welcome back to today's video where I'm sharing with you the top 5 nighttime habits that could be totally ruining your skin. These are habits that you might have that you don't even know you have, things you could be doing, things that are happening while you're sleeping that could be contributing to wrinkles, crinkles, acne, blemishes. Please don't make me list all the things that could be happening. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 habits that you could be doing and exactly how to fix them. But before we go any further, guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe right down below, guys. It's right next to that bell notification and the thumbs up button. I also just want to give a special shout out that we have passed 3,000 subscribers. Can you guys believe it? We are over 3,000. That is just mind-boggling. I'm going to show you exactly how to break these habits and what you can do to get beautiful, glowing, flawless skin, even while you're sleeping. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first nighttime habit we're going to talk about is your cell phone. And I know, stop right now, you guys, I know what you're thinking. This is not atypical. It's going to keep you up at night. It's going to keep you distracted. No. Guys, you should not be on your cell phone at night because it emits blue light. The reason you shouldn't be on your cell phone at night is, yes, it is distracting, but also, guys, it is emitting blue light. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard about blue light and it destroying and damaging the skin. This blue light is emitted from our cell phone right into our face, you guys. This is so scary and it causes photo aging damage. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Yes, the sun outside is our biggest source of blue light. There's actually tons of research coming out that shows that when it comes to blue light, range actually matters. And we're holding these devices right in front of our face, right in front of our eyes, our poor retinas, our poor skin. So yes, the sun outside is a big source of blue light, but the sun is so much further away than your cell phone. Think especially when you're lying in bed at night, when you have your phone maybe right next to your face, about this far away. That blue light is just destroying your skin. Now the craziest part is long-term exposure to blue light can cause color changes in our skin, photo damage, inflammation, and it can weaken the skin's surface. This is so crazy. These things are emitted from televisions, cell phones, but I mean, cell phones are the most important because they're so close to your face. So the easiest way to overcome this blue light is just switch your phone onto night mode. And on the iPhone, it's so easy. So night mode cancels out those blue tones and turns the screen yellow. It's so much easier on your eyes, safer for your skin. And another easy way to protect yourself from blue light is to buy a blue light shield. These are really cheap, guys, and you can pick them up on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. So make sure you're picking up a blue light shield or turning your phone on nighttime mode. Both of those are a great way to avoid that blue light rays because we don't want to contribute to any old, wrinkly, aging skin. So the next nighttime habit that we're going to talk about that could be ruining your skin, and you probably aren't even considering this, guys, and that's curling up with your cozy, soft cotton pillowcase. You've probably heard that cotton sheets, especially Egyptian cotton sheets, are like the creme de la creme. This is not 1985, 1965. This is not Little House on the Prairie. That cotton pillowcase could be the culprit for acne, wrinkles, broken hair, stretched skin. I mean, a cotton pillowcase is just like for your skin. Here you are on this soft, comfortable cotton pillowcase, not even knowing that it is wreaking havoc to your face and your hair. So if you're still using a cotton pillowcase, my first suggestion is to go up and pick up a silk pillowcase. A silk pillowcase is just so slippery, so silky, so ooh la la. I can just feel it on my skin already. Silk pillowcases are amazing at reducing friction, so you're not going to get any pulling of the skin, any tugging of the skin, any pulling or breaking of the hair. And if you're a clean freak or a germaphobe, like me, you can pick up a silver ionic pillowcase. Silver ionic pillowcases are infused with silver ionic technology that make a microbe-free sleeping surface. Now, if you have acne-prone skin or if you're really prone to breakouts, you guys need a silver ionic pillow. All right, guys, so the next nighttime habit that could be ruining your skin, and that's using the same products again and again and again and again. If you've been using the same products over and over and over again, they do become a little bit less effective only because your skin becomes more tolerant or more adaptive to the skincare products that you're using. And as soon as your skin starts to adapt to your skincare products, you really stop seeing those benefits, those brightening benefits, those hydration benefits. The easiest way to break the nighttime habit of using the same skincare products over and over and over again is to switch up your products. I know people ask me all the time, like, Trevor, you try so many skincare products. How does your skin not like fall off, break out, come like absolutely crazy. And I always say there's actually a huge benefit in trying new skincare products. Now, a single skincare product just can't possibly offer all the benefits out there in skincare products. You know, sometimes I like to use a lightening or a brightening serum. Sometimes I like to use a hydrating, a moisturizing serum. So it's so important to use a bunch of different skincare products, all that are targeted for different skincare needs. That way you make sure you're getting all your skincare needs met. And you know, it's like that old saying, it takes a village to raise a kid. It takes a village to raise good skin. I challenge you, just go out there and buy 2 new skincare products that you've never tried before. Add them into your skincare routine and see how it goes. Come back and let me know. All right, guys, so I'm totally guilty of this next nighttime habit that was definitely ruining my skin and wreaking havoc on my sleeping pattern, and that is sleeping in the heat. Now, I'm just one of those people who loves to crank up the heat. I love to incubate in a blanket. Like, I just love to be so warm, especially when I go to sleep. But guys, this is not good for your skin. It's not good for your sleeping patterns. It's not good for your sleeping routine. Sleeping in the heat severely dries out your skin, you guys, and it also promotes insomnia. I mean, I don't want either of those things. Also, if you're sleeping in a colder temperature, you're not going to wake up with such a puffy, bloated face. You know, when I used to sleep in my tropical paradise, I used to wake up a little bit bloated and a little bit puffy because I was like incubating in so much heat and moisture, and my face was just like... So the easiest way to fix this nighttime habit is obviously turn the heat down. Now, I read one of the biggest beauty hacks in South Korea. You guys know that's where all the beauty trends come from. And that's to sleep in an ice cold room, but to use heating packs under the sheets to warm you up. So to get cooler air, I also open the window. So that means that I'm getting a nice exchange of air all the time. I'm getting fresh air. So my skin is always surrounded by fresh, clean air. Another contributing factor to beautiful skin. Okay, I'm totally guilty of this next nighttime habit as well, guys. And I know a lot of you probably are, and that is sleeping in the same position every night. Now, I know I have my go-to sleeping position every single night. It's actually on my right side. Oh, I wish I could break this habit, but it's so hard. Now, I'm sure you guys have heard that sleeping on the same side, like if you always sleep on your right side or you always sleep on your left side, that's where you get those big dents, wrinkles, and crinkles. And ladies out there, especially if you're a lady with big thoughts, you know, sleeping on your side can create those really deep wrinkles and crinkles between your... I mean, who wants wrinkled and crinkled? Now, of course, the easiest way to remedy sleeping in the same position every night is to just sleep in a different position. I know this can be so difficult and it's so hard to break this habit, but guys, there's actually pillows that you can pick up that will help change the way that you sleep. There's oddly shaped pillows. There's one by Nurse Jamie that has kind of like a weird shape to it. You can slip your arm under it. You can sleep in different ways, different angles. Make sure you have lumbar support. Make sure your head is held right. You can also try sleeping on the other side, even if it's just in small increments. And even if in the morning you wake up on the side where you traditionally sleep, at least you tried sleeping on the other side. At least you got a little bit of time on the other side. One of the scariest things is sleeping on the same side night after night after night actually squishes and crushes collagen, elastin. It's doing more damage to your skin than you could even think. And that's a wrap on my top 5 nighttime habits that could be totally ruining your skin. I hope you guys were able to identify some of those bad habits that you might be doing and ways that you can fix them. I hope that you picked up some tips, some tricks, so that when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna look like Benjamin Button. Like always, guys, if you love this style of top 5 video, let me know in the comments down below and by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you want to hang out with me even more between now and next video, guys, you can always watch more right here. And look, you can subscribe right here. If you made it to the end of this video, guys, I love and appreciate you so much. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I can't wait to see you until the next video, guys. We'll see you then. Bye.